Reading for kids. Birds.
Flamingos. Flamingos are tall birds with pink feathers, long legs, and curved beaks. Their pink color comes from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. Flamingos often stand on one leg while resting. They live in large groups called flocks, sometimes with thousands of birds. Flamingos use their special beaks to filter food from water. These elegant birds are found in warm parts of the world, such as Africa, South America, and Asia. Swans. Swans are large birds that live near rivers, lakes, and ponds. They are easy to know because of their long necks and white feathers, although some swans are black. Swans are very good swimmers and move smoothly across the water. They usually eat plants from the water, but sometimes they also eat insects or small fish. Swans live in pairs and often stay together for life. They are gentle birds and are often seen gliding quietly on the water. In many stories, swans are shown as beautiful and graceful animals. People admire swans because of their beauty and calm nature. Peacocks. The peacock is a large and colorful bird that people admire all over the world. Its long tail is covered with shiny feathers in blue, green, and gold. When the peacock opens its tail wide, it looks like a giant fan with eye-shaped patterns. This display can also help scare away other animals. Peacocks live in warm places such as India and nearby countries. They spend much of their time walking on the ground but can fly short distances if needed. Their food includes grains, fruits, insects, and small plants. People like the peacock because it is one of the most beautiful birds in nature. Canaries. Canaries are small, bright yellow birds famous for their singing. Long ago, miners took canaries into coal mines because they warned of unsafe air. Today, canaries are loved as pets for their cheerful songs. They eat seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Canaries live on the Canary Islands, where their name comes from. Male canaries usually sing more beautifully than females. Their joyful songs make homes lively. Where do canaries come from? Penguins. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers. Their black and white feathers look like a suit, which is why people call them tuxedo birds. Penguins use their wings as flippers to glide through water. They eat fish, squid, and krill. Most penguins live in cold places, like Antarctica, where they huddle together to stay warm. Emperor penguins are the tallest, growing up to 1.2 meters. The father keeps the egg warm by holding it on his feet until it hatches.